Hello everybody, Steve Kanjar here from the only name you need to know for real estate in Niagara, Peak Performers Realty and Team Moving Niagara. Today we're in the border town of Fort Erie at 626 Oaks Drive. This 3-bedroom bungalow is just under 1,700 square feet and it has it all. It's gorgeous, no rear neighbors, in-ground pool, double car garage with hydro, and it is, as you can see, completely beautiful. Let's go have a quick look at this.